RiKhasi saitjain kakak new tarik mentau benai myntri rangbah jylla Conrad Sangma ryngkat bathymmai ngut ki MDC ke Ghadc iakynduh ulat jylla Satya Malik na bynta thaw ke isi bathymmai HDC Conrad ulai thu bada kajia sendrop kilai rai lang bo Benedict marak MDC karak samgre na ke NPP unlong CM bathymmai Rakesh Sangma MDC ke NPP na babela para unlong shonknor baru nikman CH marak MDC ke sngi na rockring kim unlong deputy CEM.
We have 11 from NPP, 1 from GNC and 3 independents who are supporting this alliance and this coalition. We are calling this coalition the Garo Hills Democratic Coalition, GHDC. We have 15 members right now in this coalition, and which is enough to win the chairmanship election as well as the CEM election. I'm also happy to inform you that in the morning we had a detailed meeting where we had discussed on 2-3 agendas. First agenda was of course the leadership, and we were unanimously the MDCs have decided and elected Mr. Benedict who is here on my right, who is the MLA and the MDC of Raksambri, as the new CEM. He will be the CEM candidate of the GHDC. At the same time, we have also decided that the MDC from Rongurkham constituency, which is Chokpot area, Mr. Hakhmat, will be the deputy CEM of the council. And it was also unanimously decided that Mr. Rakesh Sangma will be the chairman of the Autonomous District Council. So this decision was taken in the morning. At the same time, we also have decided, since there are political parties from different political groups, there are different independents who have joined us, and each of them have fought the election on their own points and on their own ideologies. So it is important to bring the importance of the coalition together. It is important to have a common minimum program, and therefore the MDCs sat down and an 8-point agenda was worked out, where different inputs were given by independents, by the GNC and by the NPP, and based on that this common minimum program agenda has been finalized. So that also we will be sharing it shortly with the press. There are too many points for me to repeat. So those were the points that were made. At the same time, the governor has called for the election of the chairman on Monday at 11 a.m. So the chairman election will be held on that day. And we are very confident that the GHDC alliance, which has 11 from the NPP, 1 from the GNC, and 3 independents, will win the election of the GHDC. For my personal consumption, the way I see it is that this election has strongly been an anti-incumbency election, by the simple fact that 25 sitting MDCs were wiped out, and only 4 made it back, including our CEM. Designated CEM, he made it back. Otherwise, all lost. So therefore, a very strong indication that the reforms is to be taken place at the district council.